Today in this video, I'll tell you about the 10 new Instagram features. These features may not be available to all, cause these are new features and Instagram hasn't officially announced it. Make sure your Instagram is updated to latest version. So let's start with the video. The first feature is that now you can search viewers on Story. To do that, you have to go to Story and you will find the search option on top. And with that, you can search the viewer. Talking about the second new feature is that now you can see the profile picture. To do that, go to any profile and long press on the profile picture if it has a story. And if it don't have a story, then just tap on the profile picture. Talking about the third feature is that now you can pin reels. To do that, go to any reel and then click on 3 dots option and then go to manage, and here you will find an option to pin reels. You can pin up to 3 reels. Now talking about fourth feature is that now you can see the number of shares the reel has. The next feature is that now you can add avatar to your profile, which can be seen by other users if they swipe on your profile. To enable it, you have to go to your profile and then click on edit profile, and here you will find an option to edit avatar. Click on it. Now click on your avatar and enable this setting. The next feature is that now you can instantly send reel to your friends by holding onto share button. Next feature is that now you can share your profile instantly from your profile. Next feature is that now you can add topics to your reel while uploading. You can choose up to 3 topics according to your niche. This will help your reel to suggest it to the users who are interested in the same topic. Next feature is that now you can schedule your reel. To do that, go to advanced settings and then click on schedule reel, and now you can schedule your reel. Next feature is that now you can find all trending templates in one place. To find it, you have to go to Reels from your profile, and here you will find the template option. You can use any template from here. To use it, just click on Use Template, and then you have to just upload photos and videos from your gallery. So these are all the 10 new features on Instagram. Like this video if you have learned something new from this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.